Have you ever felt bound by circumstances beyond your control, yearning for freedom? This is a question many have pondered through the ages. In the Gospel of Luke 13:10-13, we find a profound story of healing and liberation that resonates deeply today. Jesus was teaching in one of the synagogues on the Sabbath when he encountered a woman who had been crippled by a spirit of infirmity for 18 years. Her condition left her bent over, unable to stand up straight, a physical manifestation of the heavy burdens she bore. Jesus, moved with compassion, called her to him and declared, "Woman, thou art loosed from thine infirmity." With just a touch, he laid his hands on her, and immediately she was made straight, glorifying God. This miraculous act is not just a testament to Jesus' divine power, but a vivid illustration of his desire to set us free from both physical and spiritual chains. In a world where many feel trapped by life's challenges, this story reminds us of the hope and restoration found in Christ. As we reflect on this narrative, let us consider how we too can seek liberation in our own lives through faith. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.